everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today I've got some happy mail and some yarn to share with you that I have purchased. The happy mail is from Krystal and she's Krystal the cat lady, and I'll put the link to her channel below. And she tagged me into the 3 colour challenge, and we left a comment on what we wanted her to make for her 3 colour challenge, and I won. My suggestion won, and she sent me some stitch markers, guys, and they are absolutely beautiful. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Really, really nice. I really like them. And I got oops. And I'm a cat lady myself. I love cats, and it says meow, and she gave me a little, look at the little pussycat there, and she says, "Hi Linda, thank you for voting for the 3 colour challenge. Congratulations on your win. Sincerely, Krystal, the yarny chicken and crazy cat lady." So I'll put the link to Krystal's channel below, and thank you so much, Krystal. I really do love them. They are absolutely beautiful. And from one cat lady to another cat lady, meow. So the next is my local yarn store is called Black Sheep Wools, and I have been there and taken a little bit of footage, but I ordered some yarn, not much, but you know, I'm doing with Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits, we're doing the Sock It To You sock challenge next year. So wanted to get some sock yarn. So, and I've got just a teeny tiny parcel to share with you today. And so I think I've got about 8 months worth of sock yarn, because we're making a pair of socks a month next year, which is just one of the many challenges that I've got going on next year. So finished for Friday. I got a nice card. Sarah made me do it, so that's quite nice. That's from Black Sheep. And I did order some Northern Lights, but they were out of stock, so I bought some cinnamon. Jennifer from Cinnamon Stitches has done this really nice top, which looks like a poncho, but it isn't. It's like a sweater, and I wanted some yarn for that, and I bought some sock yarn. Excuse the, oh my word, oh look at these. This is the sock yarn. It's from James C. Brett, and it's called Funny Feets. It's the shade is FZB04. There's 436 yards, 400 meters, superwash wool, polyamide, but there's bamboo in there as well. Cool wash, do not iron, do not tumble dry, do not bleach, and you may dry clean. And the knitting needles are a 3.25 millimeter. And it's a 2-weight yarn. So isn't that lovely? I love the colours. So I've got 2 of them. Is there 100 grams? Yeah, they're 100 grams. So I got 2 of them. I like them. So I'll get 2 pairs of socks out of them, won't I? Maybe. So I got them. And then I got 5 skeins of Fashion Aran, which is a 4-weight yarn, and it's a King Cole, sorry, it's King Cole, and this colour is called, or the shade is 3451 Sapphire. But can you see it's all got the little flecks in it, which is what I wanted. I've got Aaron in the in just the cream colour, but I wanted something with a little bit of a fleck. And let's see what this is. This is 70% acrylic, 40% wool, 219 yards, so I've got plenty. I've got over 1,000 yards. Yeah, over 1,000 yards. It was made in Turkey under the license for King Cole. And yeah, cool wash, do not iron, do not bleach, 5mm US 7 knitting needles. And yeah, so that's about it. And what's this? Where's this made? Oh, this was made in Turkey as well, under license for James C. Brett. So you all know I love my Turkish yarn. So this will be nice. Because what I'm thinking of doing, this will be nice if I do it quite long at the back with the V, and it'll be nice over with my leggings and that. So I'm going to have a play with that. Not sure when, because I've got six projects that I need. I want to get everything done by the first week in December, and I've got 6 whips I need to get finished. So I'm going to be very, very busy these next 4 weeks. So I've got the rest of this week and 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So I've got 4.5 weeks, guys, to get these whips finished. Will I do it? I'm sure I will. That's all from me for today, guys. Thank you ever so much for supporting me, for the thumbs up, your comments. Please share the videos as well, and welcoming all my new subscribers as well. I've only got 220 subscribers, and I'll reach my 4K goal, which I'm hoping. I was hoping I'll get it by the end of this year, but if I don't, I don't. There's always next year, isn't there, guys? So you take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until next time, bye for now.